Madi, nasitutaura nezvekugadzira program inoprinta 3 numbers in ascending order. Iyo unenge waisa hako in order yako yaunoda, waisa 2, 7 na 3. Iyo inova asota yoburitsa 2, 3, 7. Yeah, just source them in ascending order. Then you'll be a printer the greatest number. Saka katigadzirichi code yacho. Saindo code blocks. You no gonna go chance something else. But just create a C project like that. So I'm just going to name it sort 3 nums, something like that. Something you know Shona zongo remember. But right. So panapa ndipo pacheta magic yedu pana. Last video takataura nezve ku swap 2 numbers. So we are going to need that code. Kana usinaona video racho ndichaisa link racho mu description so that unogona kuona ndakatsanangura zvinhu zvacho kuti how do you swap my numbers and stuff. So panapa chada kutanga tawana input from the user echi yema numbers acho ari 3 and so katange takagadzira first. Saka tikati int a b c, right? Awa ndiwo maintegers edu atoda kushandisa. So we're going to ask the user kuti, so let's just use the one iripo. Tichakukumbira user kuti input ichi 3 numbers. So please enter 3 numbers separated by spaces. Like that. I mean, my spellings are bas. So tadaro, we want to get the values. So we use scanf for that. So tadaro percentage d for a, percentage d for b, percentage d for c, and then to address my memory locations for a, memory location for b, memory location for c. Kana zodaro, right? Isusu manje tuda kuti tika compare a na b. Kana a ari mombe kuna b, that means kuti a anifana ngari pa position pa b, b ari pa position pa a. Anika. Then we compare also a na c. Anika. A atoda value ya b, kana dai a yanga ari mombe kuna b. Then tum compare na c, kana ari mombe, we swap them. Let me write the code first, then munaona zvinenge zvichiitika kumberi. Saka we need that swap function. Saka chagadzira function yedu void swap, and is going to change the variables, these ones. So we are going to have to pass them by reference, and so that we can change their values inside the swap function. So we need our int a, int b, change pointer notation, right? Then then term cut manch. That time takashansa temporary variable and when we're doing our swapping. So we are going to do the same. Int temp is equal to value of a, and then is that the value of a, we're going to point the memory address pointing to a. We're going to have a pointer and b, and pointer b is going to be given the value of temporary, right? Can I tell you so we've swapped our variables. Saka takuya panapa takutanga tama comparisons edu. If a is greater than b, like so, what should we do? We should swap a, since true pass by reference, we are supposed to send the address your variable yacho. So it's just to swap a to swap a na b foot, like so. And so if b I mean, if A is greater than C, we also swap, because yeah, but wrong position. So A none na C, like so. Then to compare now B na C, to make sure that every variable has been compared to the other. If B is greater than C, then we swap and B and C, like so. Okay, so that's how you do it. Can I pick up another would print f the find some columns now, the sorted values, right? To like some values, so D for A, percentage D for B, percentage D for percentage D for B, percentage D for C, right? Kuratidza kuti manumbers edu have actually been sorted. So panapa takuisa A, B, C, and then print if the greatest number is C. No, C ndiyo inenge iri biggest number, because ndiyo inenge iri after the swapping in C ndiyo anenge are the biggest number, saka chaisa C panapa, right? Let's see kuti the program yedu iri kurana zviri right tingoisa ma new lines panapa so that it runs bobo. So let's test it out. Right, so I'm going to enter three my numbers: 1 5 2 1 5 2 1 2 5. You see kuti ya sort much my values edu, and the greatest number is 5. So I'm just going to close this window moment. I take a look at the code, and you can try this out. No run. So thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.